An son an cheanta, Charistih mo Charamór, Garry O'Briain, agus teann le an glóitear fada a thorta again.
You see, always with traditional music, there's not a great emphasis on rehearsal, and it happens in the session, which is it's a really pleasant way of doing it. And you are rehearsing, you know, you're working, but you're having a good time as well. Nothing like it, you know, sitting around big fire, a few hot whiskies on the table, knocking out tunes. It's lovely. It's great. I lost the habit of the session that we're talking about. I don't go to half as many. I just lost the habit of going out and haven't fully got it back yet. Though, I mean, being with Ciarán here today, that brings me back. I used to spend a lot of time in Ring. He was just a young fella at the time. Danu were just starting up, and I used to meet them a lot. We'd have big all-night sessions down there. It was lovely. It was great. Stop.